Hey, it's Angus here. I'm travelling to Tooradin. Actually, I'm just coming into Tooradin in Victoria on the Mornington Peninsula just to check out the local waterways. And this is sort of a stopover on the way to Phillip Island, which is about another 60 kilometres, which is pretty famous for its penguins and scenery and beaches and that. That'll be another trip another day. Anyway, this is the little town of Tooradin. Not too much to it. I believe it does have a really good bakery, so I've been told. Let's cue the music.
Yeah, g'day mate, how are you?
You've been out fishing, have you?
Yeah, we've been out fishing, matey. Yep, been out, got 30 whiting and a gummy today. Not a bad day.
What sort of boat you got there?
So this is a trail craft, 547. About 22-year-old. Running 115 Merc on it.
Yeah.
It's the old man's boat, goes alright though.
Yeah.
We're going to head over to the pub and knock a few down now. Yeah, we're on channel, guys. This is Harvey, I'm Rick.
Welcome to Sailing with Angus.
I'm Loogie. And we've just had a great day out in the water today. Plenty of fish out there. How many did you catch, Hubs?
I caught 10. He caught, I think, 18.
18?
Who caught the biggest whiting?
Mate, yep, him.
No, you did.
I got 42.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, he got
42 fish?
42 centimetre.
Oh, I was going to say, isn't there a limit to how many fish you can
You know, us
catch?
fishermen, we always put a bit of pepper on.
Alright.
Yeah, so no, it was good out there, and we're local, we're from Pearsdale,
Oh yeah?
and
Yeah.
we're just going to head over to Tooradin Sports Club now. It's mandatory that we go over and have a pot every time we go fishing.
What about you boys? You going to have a lemonade?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Raspberry.
Alright.
Hey Rick, it was a pleasure meeting you guys, and hopefully we bump into each other again. Maybe we can even come out in the boat with you and do some filming. That'd be a fantastic experience. enjoyed this short film, you might like to see some more, so subscribe and like and hit that notification bell.